We're delighted to welcome the Manaaki Tairāwhiti project. The whanau-centric system change team brings together Manaaki Tairāwhiti from Tairāwhiti Gisborne and Te Manatu Whakahiatu Ora, the Ministry of Social Development. Manaaki Tairāwhiti has been spearheading positive change in the social services sector by putting whanau at the centre to ensure social services reflect whanau voice. Please join me in welcoming Leslynne from the Manaaki Tairāwhiti team.
We have to absolutely know how to meet the needs of people of whanau across Aotearoa, New Zealand. I support this project team because they are out there trialling, doing a new innovative activity that is truly about bringing the voice of whanau right to the centre. It creates the space, the ideas, the content that is going to transform the way that we are able to operate, not only across government, but across iwi, in the regions, across community. It's really exciting.
Kia ora. My name's Leslynne Jackson, and I'm here with the Manaaki Tairāwhiti team. As a community, we've been working really hard to improve how social services are delivered in our region. And we're here tonight because we desperately need a technical solution to help us improve the way we collect, present and share evidence that informs good decision making. Tairāwhiti has the highest level of deprivation in Aotearoa. 2/3 of our population is living in material hardship. So that's 33,000 people, 77% of which are Māori. As a country, we spend approximately $49 billion every year on providing social services that are meant to help everyone stay well. However, by the time services are delivered to whanau, many of the really good ideas have become watered down by the inclusion of arbitrary thresholds and criteria. Ironically, these system settings create the very barriers that stop people from flourishing. And then there are whanau who've had bad experiences when they've tried to access support. And now they don't bother accessing services at all. What you see on the screen are just 3 examples out of thousands of examples where whanau have told us what they need support with. Whanau are facing challenges relating to finances, to housing, transport, health, care of children, and many, many other types of challenges. Often whanau are facing multiple challenges all at the same time. But how often do whanau struggle with each of these different types of challenges? And which problems are most serious? And how do communities prioritise which problems to tackle first? Over the last 5 years, Manaaki Tairāwhiti, which is an iwi-led place-based initiative, has brought together iwi, government officials and community providers. We've built a deeper understanding of the complex barriers that prevent government services from really delivering for whanau. We've also been testing more effective joined-up ways of working. We have frontline navigators working within our community, building trusting relationships with whanau and documenting the lived experiences and barriers that are slowing down whanau's progress. Our Manaaki navigators are our community's earpiece, listening, understanding and recording real-life experiences of whanau, because we can't hope to solve social issues if we don't understand them from the perspective of the people who are most affected. We aim to put this good information to use, feeding insights back into system improvement teams and to operational leaders who are ready to take action. But here's our problem. The way we collect data is outdated. It's clunky and not fit for purpose. At first, when we started, we collected our information on post-it notes. And then we graduated to using spreadsheets. What a nightmare. We need to take our work to the next level. And with support from the GovTech Accelerator project and the tech experts we've been working with over the last 12 weeks, we've created urungi. Urungi means to steer or to navigate. That's why urungi is the name of our platform that helps with the collection of data on whanau needs as described by whanau themselves, not by the system. We can then provide aggregated information in a dashboard for local decision makers. Urungi raises up the voices of whanau. Urungi will make our task for navigators gathering this information fast and easy. It's as simple as using a messaging app, as simple as texting, and it allows navigators to enter their data on the spot while they're with whanau, reducing administration, duplication, rework, and saving time. Urungi will also automatically generate anonymous aggregated information on whanau needs, providing real-time analysis on the prevalence, frequency, and seriousness of different types of unmet need within our community. This will help decision makers, people just like yourselves, by evidencing the actual performance of our social services system. And at a local level, it provides us with much clearer picture of where to take action for maximum impact. For example, if our aggregated data showed that 15% of all the whanau accessing support from navigators recorded unmet health needs, our PHOs and DHB could see the problem broken down by themes like accessibility, affordability, or enrolment process challenges. And then they could see the reasons why, right down to an individual level. Let me introduce our awesome team. Our Manaaki Tairāwhiti team is a combination of people from Manaaki Tairāwhiti, MSD and Creative HQ. In the coming months, we will further test and improve urungi, working alongside our Manaaki navigators, and they are working with over 150 families. While our focus is on enabling all whanau in Tairāwhiti to flourish, we are sure that what works well in our community will also work well for other communities around Aotearoa. If you're curious and you'd like to learn more about our work, please hit us up. We'd love to chat with you. Or better still, come and see us in Gisborne. Thank you. Kia ora.